When you've got friends over and you want a dessert cocktail that impresses, tastes delicious, and is easy to make, look no further than the Mudslide. The Mudslide cocktail is a chocolatey cocktail, and it consists of chocolate liqueur, vodka, and Baileys. You're gonna start by adding ice to the shaker. If you aren't gonna do a chocolate garnish on the glass, you don't have to worry about the shaker at all. You could just add ice to a rocks glass and give it a stir once you have all your ingredients in there. Here I'm adding 1 ounce of chocolate liqueur, followed by 1 ounce of vodka. And we're gonna end it with 1 ounce of Baileys. Now that is 3 ounces total of booze going into the cocktail. So while you won't necessarily taste the booze, you should know that it's in there, and it's kind of a lot. So sip slowly. Now to the shaker, we're also going to add some half and half. You could also use cream or whole milk, whatever floats your boat is fine. Pop on the top, and we're gonna give it a good shake. Now it's time for that chocolate garnish. We're actually just gonna drizzle the inside of the glass with a little bit of Hershey's syrup. Just go around it once or twice, and you kind of just let it fall to the side. This might be where the cocktail gets the name Mudslide from. Now you'll add ice, and you'll just pour that cocktail right over the ice. So there you have it, an easy and delicious cocktail, perfect for entertaining. Cheers. If you like this video, pretty please give it a thumbs up. And as always, I will link to the written recipe down in the description below. While you're down there, go ahead and click that bell to subscribe to the Anthony Kitchens YouTube channel, where we post new videos every single week. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time.